Oh, there they are.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
We picked a good spot to stop, I think.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure. Yeah, we have time.
Oh, there.
Did you hear it?
Yeah. Did you hear it echoes?
I did.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
That was an echo?
Yeah. It's still going. So, what will happen is that whales will hear that because he's also blowing underneath the water too. So whales will hear that and they'll start turning up from nowhere. Where there were whale, if you look at in one direction for the last 15 minutes and you wouldn't see anything, then suddenly a whale will appear, and it'll come and join them.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's a signal.
It's a signal, yeah. It's like the flow.
Like fish up here.
Yeah. But you can see what I mean about it. It's sounding just like the foghorn.
Yeah.
Sure did.
Yeah. It's one of my favorite things to hear because the echoes and the reverberations over the mountains and things. It's really cool.
Awesome to see fish up here.